Alrighty guys, we are inside the First Round restaurant at the Mall of America in Bloomington. If you remember, this was a Hard Rock Cafe, and it is now the First Round. They have this older Schindler 3300 MRL Traction elevator. Something interesting happened to it. You can see, just looks like your standard older 3300 with some new lights. But look at this. They put a whole new COP in. Let's go to 2. Here we're at the second floor. Let's go back down to 1. Door is a little slow. I think it was that slow before. Get a cab view. The cab is still the same. They might have changed the floor actually. I don't know if that was there. But they brightened it up. It was very dark before. Excuse me. But yeah, this is just weird. Here at 1. This had a really big panel before too. Everything appears to be the same except for the COP. All the call buttons are original. Interesting, the door controls on the left. This might be an older panel. I'm assuming they did this. Let's go down to the mezzanine. I'm assuming they did this when the First Round came into this place. I'm assuming the old panel just got so beat up that they decided to replace it, but I've never seen anything with it like this. On a newer Schindler anyway, how about that? I mean, I've seen panel replacements, but like, not on something this new. Here we're at the mezzanine. See, you still have the original indicators, and call buttons, and chimes, but a new COP. Which is just really weird. All the equipment looks the same. It runs better than I remember it being. They probably fixed it up a little. But yeah, that is just the new one. Anyway, there goes the elevator. And that's gonna be it.